Hello, my name is Ruby by Stead. Ruby introduced herself. Hello, my name is Ruby. Hello, said the bird standing in the cool water. Today is a very nice day, said Ruby. She looked up at the blue sky. Would you like to come flying? Asked the bird. I'm glad to meet you, said Ruby, gliding happily along. Ruby had never flown with a friend before. Hello, my name is Ruby. Would you like to come flying? What is flying? Asked the bird. Flying is how to get places. This is how I get places, said the bird. There are so many things to see, said Ruby. Hello, little bird. My name is Ruby. Hello, Ruby, said the bird. Little bird, are you ever afraid because you are small? Yes, said the bird, but sometimes I did not feel small. Would you like to see? Ruby introduced herself. Hello, she said. My name is Ruby. Would you like to be my friend? No, thank you. Ruby sang a sad song. She sang and sang until the sun came out and her feathers were dry. Along came a curious bird. Ruby tried to be brave. Hello, my name is Ruby. Do you have a name? What is a name? Asked the bird. A name is a sound that is all yours, she said. Like this. Ruby, Ruby, ooby, ooby. Skeepwalk, replied the bird. Skeepwalk, walk, walk. I'm glad to meet you, Skeepwalk, said Ruby. I'm glad to meet you too, said Skeepwalk. I have heard your name before. Really? Said Ruby. Really, said Skeepwalk, and then he showed her. Ruby introduced herself. Hello, my name is Ruby. Ruby, ooby, ooby, sang the birds. We are glad to meet you. Ruby floated happily above the treetop. I am glad to meet you too, she said. I wonder. Would you like to meet my friends? The end.